Okay, power spectral density. Power spectral density. So it's a measure of signal power uh, versus frequency. So that is called as power spectral density. Um, so if you want to actually power spectral density is a unit, you have to measure signal power versus frequency. Then you have to use power spectral density. So power spectral density used as a characterized broadband random signal. And then the power spectral density is simply we can call as a power spectrum. There are two names in power spectral density. Even you can call power spectrum or power spectral density. So see the tabulation of power spectral density. So this is a very important tabulation. So auto power our power spectral density. So sinusoidal signal and broadband signal. So what is sinusoidal signal here? Sinusoidal signal is a sine wave. It's a periodic signal. So what is periodic? So periodic means the pattern will be repeated over the period of time. That means same pattern will be repeated period of time. That is called as periodic signal. So random signal means the pattern it won't be repeated. Example noise. Uh, just now we saw certain the weather condition of certain city. So these are random process or random signal. So that is a broadband signal we can consider as a random signal. So sinusoidal signal that's a periodic signal and broadband signal called as a random signal. So these two measured by auto power and power spectral density. Auto power, auto power, uh, auto power. The that sinusoidal signal in different uh, uh, the power value is in sinusoidal signal so level is same. The broadband signal that levels are different. Similarly power spectral density psd, um, when sinusoidal signal is different level, the broadband signal is levels are same. So the sinusoidal signal, the auto power spectra will be different frequency resolution will have the same amplitude levels. And similarly, power spectral densities are with different frequency resolution will have different amplitude levels. And broadband signals, that's a random signal, that auto power spectra with a different frequency resolution will have different amplitude level. So similarly, power spectral density with a different frequency resolution will have the same amplitude level. So power spectral density, if you take it, if you're going to take power spectral density for a random signal uh, with a different frequency resolution have the same amplitude level. That means you just draw the graph. The x-axis might be a frequency resolution, then amplitude, that is y-axis. So if you draw the graph, you can see different frequency is varied that x-axis, but the amplitude is same. It look like a straight line is moving from left to right side. That is called as power spectral density shown in broadband signal. Similarly, auto power, the different frequency resolution and different amplitude level. Uh, Auto power is different from power spectral density. So again, you have to draw the graph. On x-axis is a different frequency resolution. and y-axis is amplitude level. If you draw the graph, then the different frequency level is changed. Even the amplitude also getting changed. And see the sinusoidal periodic signal. Sinusoidal periodic signal. For that, you have to draw the graph for autopower spectra and power spectral density. So, autopower spectra, if you consider that is x-axis, is a different frequency, then the same amplitude level will be present in sinusoidal signal. Okay, so it's like Bradband random signal and sinusoidal signal is you know sh- with a different value. If you consider power spectral density as a sinusoidal periodic signal, that means if you're going to measure sinusoidal periodic signal, then you have to draw the graph, and the graph might be different frequency resolution, then that will be getting different amplitude levels. I think you understand. I think. Mhm. Okay. So power spectral density. So this is mainly used for measure the signal power with the continuous content with the various frequency. So we have to measure the signal power with the content of various frequency. So here we already given the tabulation. So from the tabulation, the power spectral density and auto powers are measured amplitude of the signal with the different frequency level with the different periodic signal. One means different signal, sinusoidal signal or broadband signal. Okay, thank you.